Lake Apopka is on the road to recovery. The St. Johns River Water Management District has taken actions to reduce the nutrients reaching the lake by restoring formerly drained farmland to wetlands. This has also improved habitat conditions. The Lake Apopka Marsh Flowway, a large treatment wetland, removes phosphorus, algae, and suspended sediments from the lake's water. Another step to improve the lake's condition is harvesting gizzard shad. The harvest reduces nutrient concentrations by removing the phosphorus found in the bodies of gizzard shad and reduces the disturbance of sediments that cloud the water when the shad feed on the lake's bottom. Many indicators are showing the ongoing recovery efforts are working at Lake Apopka. Phosphorus concentrations have been reduced by 50% since 1987. Submerged aquatic vegetation has grown to more than 80 acres by 2016, greatly increasing sportfish habitat. The Lake Apopka Wildlife Drive opened in 2015, bringing more than 200,000 visitors to the area by 2017, adding regional economic benefits. The support of the Florida legislature and commitment of $5 million per year for the next decade will hasten Lake Apopka's recovery.